Good morning, good morning. It's Ty, the LinkedIn guy, here in Tokyo, Wednesday morning. Today, I want to give some advice and give a tactic that you can use to allow you to really control the people that you want to engage with on LinkedIn and control the what you see basically with LinkedIn. So, one of the killers of productivity on LinkedIn is people don't have any kind of workflow process. They don't go into LinkedIn with intent. They don't have a particular goal in mind. And what they tend to do is go in there and they end up reading articles and they, make a post, or they don't make a post, or they comment, they like, and then they read another article and nothing gets done. And that's generally because of the amount of information that is thrown at you on your news feed on LinkedIn. But where you can be really successful with LinkedIn is in, certainly engaging with kind of key people within your space. Now, the hard thing is, if you aren't using LinkedIn premium accounts like a sales navigator, it can be really time consuming to go in every day, find those kind of key people again, go to their content, check them out, check their posts, make a comment, etc., etc. So one thing that you can do, and it's for free for those that don't want to spend any money on Sales Navigator in particular, here's a method that you can use with your Chrome and hey Jan, how are you, mate? With your Chrome extensions, or just with Chrome and bookmarking. So what I want to show you is a technique that is going to get rid of all the noise and allow you, if you put in a workflow process, allow you every day to go in and check out just the key people that you want to see and that you want to engage with. So then you get in there, you do that, and you get out, and you're not wasting your time reading stuff that's unnecessary. So a real easy way to do this, guys, I'm going to show you. I'm going to walk through on my screen. So this is the way to do it. The first thing, and let me know if everyone can see that. And I hate this technology, but here we go. So for example, say you want to find someone, and I'm going to use one of my clients. He's awesome, and he's really focusing on the content side of his strategies at the moment. Brian McDonald. So say there's Brian McDonald. This is someone that I want to focus on, and he's a growth coach. He's awesome. So if you're looking for a growth coach, especially on the sales side, check Brian out. But if I want to look at Brian's stuff every day, I want to make sure that I don't miss anything from him. And maybe there's like 5 or 10 other people that I want to do that with. It's really time consuming. Now, if you have Sales Navigator, you can save him as a lead and it puts it in a certain area, and it's really easy. But what you do is go to the person that you're interested in, go down to articles and activity, and click on here where it says see all activity. So click on that. And then what we're interested in is, you've got all the activity, but I'm interested in the posts that he's actually making, the stuff that he's constructing. So, he's quite prolific now with his posting. So I want to check that posts. Okay. Then I go up to here, up into the URL, and we see our little star for bookmarking. Click on that. Now, what I've already done is I've created a folder, and it's called LinkedIn Profile to Engage. Now, you can create your own files, just go to more and create that. But what's going to happen, once I create that, that saves Brian's into my Chrome extensions, into my bookmarks. Let's do that now. So, now imagine it's a brand new day. And I now want to go into LinkedIn, but I only want to engage with the people that I'm really interested in. I don't want to be sidetracked. I don't want to go through all of that. So what I do here is go up to your, let me just share so you can see that. Go up to your bookmark. Okay, sorry, let me get that again. Go up to, where's my bookmarks gone? Go up to your bookmarks. Let me just go back to the current one. All right. So go to your bookmarks, and you can go to manage bookmark manager, and then click on the folder, which is the LinkedIn. And as you'll notice, I've just saved a couple just for demonstration purposes. Now I can go directly to here. Any of these people, go here and then open in a new tab, and it will go directly to his activity level, his posts, right? It opens directly to the post. So it saves you searching the guy, opening up his activities, going to post, and you can do that over and over. So again, one of my other clients that I love to look at the content, and once you have that open, of course you can keep that open, Cynthia, and it'll go straight to Cynthia. She's an executive coach, and it'll open up her tab. So every time you go into LinkedIn, guys, you might want to start doing that. If you're not using any of the premium accounts, you may want to go in there and save, bookmark some of these people. And you do that every day, you're going to have a pretty good list of active influencers or people that are influential in your space. You're going to be able to easily see what they're posting. You're going to be easily able to engage with that directly, and it saves you multiple clicks, right? So that's a little hack that you can use for when you're using Chrome and you're using Bookmarks. And believe me, when you start to get very deliberate in your activity on LinkedIn, when you start to only focus on the stuff that you should be focusing on, like rather than being reactive on LinkedIn constantly, but actually go in there with a purpose, the results come. When you're going in there unfocused and you're not really having any kind of plan or an outcome in mind every time you go in for a session, you get nothing. And then what happens is that accumulates, right? Every day you do that, after about a week, you're like, LinkedIn sucks, and you get off. And then you come back 2 weeks later and you give it another shot and you repeat the same thing and it sucks. So one of the best ways I find is to eliminate a heap of the noise. And that is one tactic that can allow you to eliminate heaps of the noise. All right, if you have any questions, just post them in the comments. If that was helpful, let me know. Give me a like, give me a comment. If you thought it sucked, let me know. But there you go. For those that don't have any type of premium account, that is the best way I've seen so far of being able to quickly and effectively find those people that you want to engage with the most. Okay, hope that helps. See you guys.